Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanifah Aziza. I'm from A2. My student ID 22220065. Here I would like to present about a proposal seminar by Muhammad Danur Rahman, and the title Contextual Approach in Teaching Writing Descriptive Text Stroke WhatsApp. Background of the research. English is one of some international language which is used by most people around the world. In a global era, people are expected to master English so that they can communicate with other people who like in other countries. As a tool of an international communication, it should be learning by people who live in countries which use English as a present language, including Indonesia. To support Indonesia people in order to be able to communicate with other people around the globe. Indonesia government incorporates English into its educational curriculum as one of its compulsory subjects starting from junior high school. Research question. First, how is the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group? Second, what are teacher and student responded to the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using context approach to WhatsApp group? Third, what are students developing in learning writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group? 4. What are teacher difficulties in teaching writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp? Objectives of research. In line with the problem statement above, the objective of the study are: first, to know the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group. Second, to know the teacher and student response to implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group. Third, to know the student difficulties in learning writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group. 4. To know the teacher difficulties in teaching writing descriptive text using contextual approach to WhatsApp group. Benefits of the research. First, for teacher. The teacher can find out how far students understand the descriptive text. B. The teacher can measure the learning method appropriately against the descriptive text learning material. C. The teacher can measure student abilities in solving descriptive text learning problem. And second, for student. A. Students can solve problem in learning descriptive text. B. Student can understand text descriptive text learning. Third, for learning English in general. A. English learning is more fun for students and easier to explain for the teacher. B. Learning English as a means so that students can solve their own problem. Operational definition. First, descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. Second, contextual approach. Contextual approach is learning approach that fully aids students in the learning process. And third, learning online system. Learning online system in a network learning is a learning system without face-to-face learning between teacher and student, but is done online using the internet network. And teacher must ensure teaching and learning activity content even though students are at home. Research method and procedure. The research used the descriptive text qualitative method to conducting the research. Qualitative descriptive method as one that provides a comprehensive summary in everyday terms. It is less transformational than methods such as a phonology or grounded theory. 2. Procedure. The research procedure that the author do is as follows, where preparation stage is submitting the title of the proposal and completing a research proposal, attending a proposal seminar, making research instruments consisting of a learning syllabus or paper lesson plan, desk instrument, questionnaire instruments, and worksheets, student worksheets. And try out the test and non-test instrument, submit a research permit, implementation stage, choosing research subject, namely all students of class as much as 2 classes in one junior high school in the West Java. Carry out the teaching and learning process and conduct experiments using a textual approach to online learning. Conduct a final test in both classes where the question is the same. Process the test result according to permitted procedures. In the research process, the writer goes directly to carrying out the teaching and learning process. Evaluation phases: collection and processing data, perform data analysis, draw conclusion from the result of data analysis. Subject of the research. The subject in this study were students as MP Class A of the junior high school in West Bandung, who were male student and female student. Instrument. The instrument in this research are A. Written tests to measure student knowledge on descriptive text material. B. Observation. Through observation, research can see firsthand what they can are reading. C. Questionnaire. Attitude scale to measure teacher and student responder open and close. C. Interview to find out the information expected from student as well as teacher. Procedure of data analysis. All data in this study were processed using SPSS and Microsoft Excel to describe contextual approach in teaching, writing, descriptive text through WhatsApp group.